Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by making sure your devices share the same Apple ID or are in the same family sharing group. This is why home sharing needs a common account. Once done, update iOS or Mac OS so features align across devices and connect everything to the same Wi-Fi network for discovery. Now open Apple Music on iPhone or the Music app on Mac. Sign in with your Apple ID. This first step links your libraries and prepares devices to exchange content securely. Next, enable home sharing on each device so libraries can appear across your network. On iPhone, go to Settings, tap Music, then Home Sharing and sign in with your Apple ID. On Mac, open the Music app, choose Account, then Home Sharing and enter the same ID. Make sure home sharing is enabled on the device that holds the main library, otherwise others can't see it. Once enabled, check the library or shared section to confirm devices are visible and ready to stream or import. Finally, access the shared library from any enabled device. Open the Music app and look under Shared to stream or import songs into your local library. You can import tracks to keep them offline or just stream. Remember that playback rights depend on original purchases and subscriptions. If something goes wrong, restart the devices and routers, sign out and back into home sharing, and make sure all devices are on the same Wi-Fi and not blocked by a VPN. That single troubleshooting step resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.